Hello and welcome. We are Team HashMap. I am Tisara Samdita and my teammates are Yasit Netvina, Lakshan Nimanta and Hirusha Imalkar. Many middle class families face financial difficulties due to challenges in managing their budgets. As a result, they often struggle with unexpected expenses. To address this issue, we have developed an innovative solution, our household expense tracker. This user friendly web application is designed to help individuals and families manage their daily, weekly, or monthly expenses. It provides a simple and effective way to track spending, helping users avoid financial surprises and plan ahead. We have used several technologies to build this web application. We have used Ballerina for the backend and Svelte for frontend. As a database management system, we have used MySQL. Now I would like to invite my friend Lakshan to showcase a demo of the app. Over to you, Lakshan.
So this is our web application, expense tracker. So I'll explain how it works. So on the left side bar, you can see our total expenses here. So here we imagine that the user or family has a fixed monthly income. So the users can add any budget if they like based on their income. So if you go to add budget here, so the user can set any budget based on the income. For example, I like 5,000. Now we can see our budget will be displayed like this, 1,000 rupees. So next I'll move to the transaction side. So this is the place where users can update their daily transactions. So if we go to add transaction, so here we have divided our daily expenses into seven main categories. Example, food. Now we can see it will be updated here and it will be displayed on the bar graph as the amount and on the pie chart as the percentage. So now you can see our total expenses is 2,000 rupees. And here you can see the remaining budget will be displayed like this, 3,000 rupees. And 40% is being used from our budget now. So the user can edit or remove the budget if they want. So I'll add another transaction to show how it's going. So it will be updated here. Now we can see here our total expenses has become 4,500 rupees. It means that the remaining budget is 500 rupees. And you can see the title bar is colored in yellow because 90% is being used from our budget. It means that our budget is about to exceed. So it will be displayed here. Your budget is about to exceed. So I'll add another transaction to show. Now our total expenses has become 5,500 rupees. Means that our budget is already exceeded from 500 rupees now. and 110% is being used here. It's coloring red now. So the message will be displayed like this. Your budget is exceeded now. So with that, the user can get a real-time update of how their expenses are going, and when the expenses get closer to their budget, like that. And on the other hand, the user can go to the previous months as well and analyze their monthly expenses. Here I have not updated the data. And if we move to the pie chart, here you can see their expenses as percentages in each category. And by seeing this, the user can get a clear understanding on how to balance their daily expenses. I think that now user can get a clear understanding of whether their budget is already exceeded or their budget is about to exceed at the end of the month. So that's how this web application works. So let me show you the backend that we have implemented using Ballerina. Here you can see the main file that we have implemented here. And we have implemented the four main APIs here in the service.val file. And we have config.tml file as well as ballerina.tml file. Yes. So that's how we have implemented our backend as well as our front end to achieve the main objective of our project, the expense tracker. So now my friend Yasit will explain about the future proposed improvements of our project. Over to you, Yasit.
Expense Tracker is a useful functioning application, but it's not yet complete. So these are the features that we hope to implement in the future. Firstly, the functionality needs to be extended with other useful features like transaction filtering and account balance tracking. Currently, this is a single user application, but for it to be useful, we hope to implement a multi user system. Considering the nature of the application, it's most useful if it was available for mobile devices. Therefore, we intend to improve the design so that it's mobile responsive. Finally, extending that point, we will add PWA support so that user can reach it even easier. In conclusion, Expense Tracker is a full-stack web app created by Team HashMap using Ballerina programming language. It can be used to track monthly expenses in a household. With continuous improvements, Expense Tracker can be improved to be able to manage financials of a small business. Thank you.